Now the question number 4 is, find points on the x-axis which are at a distance of 5 units from the point 5 comma minus 4. So here one of the coordinate is given and another point is there which is lying on the x-axis. So we should remember that if the point is lying on the x-axis, then its ordinate will be 0. So accordingly we will take that point, and it is also given that they are at a distance of 5 units from the point. So first of all, let the points on x-axis be a x comma 0. Since the point is lying on the x-axis, so that is why its ordinate is 0, so it's written a x comma 0. And the another point which is given, that is b, let us name it as b, and 5 minus 4, that is only given. This is 5 minus 4, and they are at a distance of 5 units. So the distance between them is given, AB equals to 5 units. So direct the square formula we can use. This formula we'll use here. AB square equals to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So let us write AB square equals to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is equals to x1, if you see, it's given x and x2 is this. So x minus 5 whole square we can write plus y1 minus y2 means is 0 and minus, then again minus. So either you write 0 minus 4 whole square, or directly also you can write. And here the AB's value is also there, 5 units. So this is 5 square. Now this implies x minus 5 whole square plus this is 4 square minus a plus, and this is equals to 25. Now this implies x minus 5 whole square plus 16 equals to 25. Now this implies x minus 5 whole square equals to 25 minus 16. Now this implies x minus 5 whole square equals to 9. This implies x minus 5, if the square is removed, it will be root under 9. So this implies x minus 5 equals to plus minus 3. Now once you have to consider x minus 5 equals to 3, and another time you have to consider x minus 5 equals to minus 3. So if you simplify this, so x will be equals to 3 minus a plus 5, and here x is equals to minus 3 minus a plus 5. So x is equals to 8 and x is equals to 2. So the coordinates, so two values of x we got, so we should consider both. So the point which we had taken a, x comma 0, it will be either 8 comma 0 or it will be 2 comma 0. Similarly, the next question is now, find the points on the y-axis which are at a distance of 10 units from the point 8 comma 8. That means now this point is lying on a y-axis. So since the point is lying on the y-axis, so its x coordinate will be 0. That means abscissa will be 0. So let the point on y-axis be a 0 comma y. Now another point is given here. Another point is 8 8 and it is at a distance of 10 units. So another point, let b is equals to 8 comma 8 and AB is equals to 10 units. Now we will use the formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equals to AB square. Since we have not used the square root symbol here, that side, right hand side, the distance was also squared. This implies x1 minus x2 means we can write 0 minus 8 whole square plus y1 minus y2 means y minus 8 whole square is equals to AB was 10 units, so it will become 10 square. Now this equals 0 minus 8 means it's minus 8 square plus y minus 8 whole square equals to 100. Now this implies y minus 8 whole square, or you can use one more step here. So minus 8 whole square means is 64 plus y minus 8 whole square equals to 100. So this implies y minus 8 whole square equals to 100 minus 64. So this implies y minus 8 whole square equals to, it's 10 minus 4 6 and 9 minus 6 3. So y minus 8 whole square equals to 36. That means if we have to find out y minus 8, so it will become root 36. So this implies y minus 8 equals to plus minus 6. Now to find the value of y, we have to consider both y minus 8 equals to plus 6 or y minus 8 equals to minus 6. So this implies y is equals to 6 plus 8, or y here this side minus 6 plus 8. So this implies y equals to 14 or y is equals to plus 2. So two values of y we got. So here the coordinate of A which we had taken, so it will be either 0 comma 14 or it will be 0 comma 2. It will be the answer. Now third question from this question number 4. Find point or points which are at a distance of root 10 units from the point 4 3. That means here you have to find a point which is at a distance of root 10 units from the point 4 comma minus 3. Given that ordinate of the point is twice the abscissa. That means earlier the sums which you had done in question number 4, first or second, there the points were lying either on x-axis or on y-axis. So accordingly we have made the abscissa or ordinate 0 since the points were lying on x-axis and y-axis. But in this question it's not given where the point is lying, x-axis or y-axis. That means this point is maybe lying on the any of the quadrants, maybe it is not lying on any of the axis. Yes, but the relationship is given. The relationship is here, the ordinate of the point is twice the abscissa. So ordinate equals to twice the abscissa. This relationship is given. Now let the abscissa be k. Here we can take any variable a, b, c, d, e, f, whatever, but usually in coordinate geometry we are taking the variable as k. You can also take x also, but here we have taken abscissa k. So therefore obviously ordinate will be 2 times of it, so it will be 2k. So now let the required point be a k comma 2k. This is abscissa and ordinate. And another point b is already given here, that is 4, 3. And the distance between AB is given √10 units. Now we have to find out the values of, we have to find out the points. So now we will be writing the formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equals to AB square. So this implies x1 minus x2 means it's k minus 4 whole square plus this is 2k minus 3 whole square equals to AB square means √10 whole square. Now this implies this is in the form of a minus b whole square. This is also in the form of a minus b whole square. So we have to apply that here. In the previous sums it was not required, but here we will be requiring it. So it is k square minus 2 into k into 4 plus 4 whole square plus this is 2k whole square. This was for k minus 4 whole square, and for 2k minus 3 whole square it will be 2k whole square minus 2 into 2k plus 3. 2 into 2k into 3 will be there, and then plus 3 whole square is equals to √10 whole square means it's 10. Now if we simplify this, to k square minus 8k plus 16 and then plus this is 4k square minus 4 3 is 12k plus 9 is equals to 10. Now we have to simplify this, k square plus 4k square, so we will be getting 5k square, then minus 8k minus 12k, so it is minus 20k, and this is 16 plus 9, that is 25 equals to 10. Now 5 we can take common because all are the multiples of 5 here. So 5 into, or before taking common, let's bring the 10 into another side, so the right side is becoming 0. So 5k square minus 20k plus 25 minus 10 equals to 0. This implies 5k square minus 20k plus 15 equals to 0. Now all are the multiples of 5. So if we take 5 common, or we can divide each term by 5. So this will become k square, or take common here, 5k square minus 4k plus 5 3 is 15 equals to 0. So 5 to cannot be 0. So this implies k square minus 4k plus 3 equals to 0. So here we got the quadratic equation. Now we have to do the factorization. Factorization was there in chapter 4, middle term factorization. That factorization we have to do. So this is the equation. If we do the middle term factorization, so 3 1 is 3. So we can write it k square minus 3k minus k plus 3 equals to 0. Now this implies k if we take common, so it is k minus 3, and minus 1 if we take common again, so it is k plus 3 equals to 0. So this implies k minus 3 into k minus, sorry, here it will be not plus, this is minus. So k minus 3 will be taken common again, so k minus 3 into k minus 1 equals to 0. So this implies k minus 3 equals to 0 or k minus 1 equals to 0. So k will be equals to 3 or k will be equals to 1. So we have got two values of k. One is 3, another is 1. Now the points which we had taken, a was k comma 2k. So the answer will be, therefore a will be, if k is 3, so it will be 6, 2k means 6, or if a is 1, k is 1, then it will be 2. So there are the two values of a, either 3 6 or 1 2.